Hi everyone, today I'll share with you how to turn summer photo to the one you captured in winter. Stay tuned. First of all, go to Window, Channels, to Clean Channel, press Ctrl or Command A to select the whole image, and copy it with Ctrl C. Move back to the Layers tab, create a new layer and paste it. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, to diffuse glows in the Start folder. Create a solid color with black. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, Rasterize, Amount 100% and OK. Now we will blur it with Gaussian blur around 1 pixel. Change blending mode to screen. Use level, shortcut Ctrl or Command L to increase black to 140 and decrease white to 142. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. OK. Duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J. Edit, Transform, rotate 180 degrees. Duplicate it one more time and resize it with Ctrl or Command T. Adjust W to 500. Make sure to check Change icon. Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, Angle minor 48 and distance is 11 pixels. Duplicate and resize it again to add new snowflake layer. Put all layers into group. That's all for the tutorial. If you think this video is helpful, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell for any guide video later on. See ya!